Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a installation block error in your Android mobile phone when you try to install an application for third-party applications, unknown resources. Then you can some application, when you try to install it, then show this type of errors because this application, your mobile phone protection is detected this application is harmful for your mobile phone. If you want to install it, then how to fix this type of issues. So let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see started. Okay guys, first of all, going to your Android mobile phone, and after doing this step, you can go to your settings of your Android mobile phone. And after doing this step, you can go to your Google settings. Okay guys, you can go to your Google settings. After doing this step, you can scroll and go to your security. Okay guys, click on it. Okay guys, after doing this step, you can go to your you can see the apps, Google app protection is enabled, so click on it. You can see that at this time no harmful app was founded. If you can face this type of error, then related application is found on this place. So how to fix? You can go to your these settings. So simply click on it, and you can see that it's enable scan device for security threats and improve harmful app detected. So when your mobile phone is detected any application is harmful for your device, then you can show this type of messages and installation blocked. So, okay guys, if you want to install it, you can simply disable it. Okay guys, you can see data is messages appear. Your device will no longer be checked for security threats. Are you sure that you want to disable this protection? So click on OK button, and your protection is disabled. And after doing this step, install application. This application will be installed in your mobile phone, and this error will not be shows that. Basically this message is show that when any application is harmful, your mobile security detected that this application is harmful for you, then show this type of message. So you can try this method. So after doing this step, your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.